of NCRT yesterday, and I'm going with the next one. Before that, if you have any query, please let me know. We were doing ellipse. So we have finished with example 9 and example 10. I'm going to discuss with you now the example 11th. Find the equation of the ellipse whose vertex are. Now see, vertex are given plus minus 13, 0. This is the vertex, and focus is also given plus minus 5, 0. अब देखिए नूरप्रीत, from vertex and from focus, what you conclude, what kind of ellipse is this?
Sir, it's in major x-axis.
Yes, because vertex and focus both lies on the major axis. So that means x-axis is the major axis because focus is on the x-axis and vertices are also on the x-axis. तो एक बात तो यहां से हमारे पास ये क्लियर हो गई कि मेरा ये x-axis पे ये सब लाई कर रहा है. So that means मेरा फोकस तो हुआ ये 5, 0 और एक फोकस हुआ ये -5, 0 और मेरा वर्टेक्स जो हुआ दिस इज 13, 0 एंड दिस इज -13, 0. Now we know that equation of the ellipse x square plus a square y square upon b square is equal to 1. A is greater than b because x-axis is the major axis, and b square is equal to a square 1 minus e square. अब सबसे पहले बात देखिए, वर्टेक्स जो है वो 13 है. We know that A0 is the vertex. Which implies the value of A is equal to 13. तो एक बात तो क्लियर हो गई मेरे पास, मेरी A की वैल्यू जो है वो 13 आ गई. Now focus is plus minus AE, 0. Now focus is 5. So which implies AE is equal to 5. E is equal to 5 over A. That is 5 over 13. E is equal to 5 over 13, which is less than 1. It is correct. So which implies my eccentricity is 5 over 13. तो दो चीजें निकल गई. A is known to me. Eccentricity is known to me. I can get the value of B from this equation. B square is equal to A square 1 minus E square. तो A square 13 का square 1 minus E square 25 is 169. 169 minus 25 upon 169. So 169 goes with this. B is equal to 12. So that means if he's saying you find the length of minor axis, so you can find out twice of B, that means 24. Therefore, equation, because he's saying find the equation of ellipse. This is x square upon 13 square, y square upon 12 square is equal to 1. This is the equation of ellipse. Number two, if he's saying you find length of minor axis twice b, twice of this is 24. Third, if he say you find the length of latus rectum, this is 2b square upon a. This is 2 is to b square, 12 is to 12, a it is 13. So this is equal to 144 is to 2, 882 upon 13. Manvi, I hope this is clear. The question is clear to you. I have calculated that all the things. उसने नहीं भी पूछी वो भी हमने कर ली. Manvi, because yesterday there was a confusion to you for the terminology and all. I feel this is clear. Manvi is not clear. Garush, is it clear to you? Garush? Are you getting? No, he's not responding. Ayush, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Nurpreet?
Yes, sir.
Manvi, you are not audible to me, but I can see your chat. Hello, that's great. But I think there is some problem in your mic. You are not audible. So, Nurpreet, isko note kar lo, and please let me know as soon as you will note down. Then we will move to the next. Because today we have a 2 periods, so I will finish with hyperbola also. As soon as you will note down, let me know. Manvi has noted. Boys, have you noted?
Yes, sir.
Boys, great. Chali, come to the next example. Karman has joined. Karman, we have finished with the example 11. So I'm going to discuss now the example 12. Okay. Example 12 of exercise 13. 12 or 13? 12. Find the equation of the ellipse. Equation of ellipse I want to find out. Whose length of major axis? Length of major axis is given 20. And focus. he has given me this is the focus. 0 plus minus 5. So Manvi, you tell me what you can watch from the focus. What kind of ellipse this can be? Manvi, Ayush, you tell me which kind of ellipse is this? Haji Manvi? हाँ, you are audible. तो बहुत कम वॉइस है, लेकिन फिर भी आप बताइए. I will try to listen.
Its major axis will lie on the y-axis.
Great. Its major axis will lie on the y-axis. Why? Because the focus is on y-axis. It is on y-axis. Clear? So that means what should be the shape of this ellipse? The shape of this ellipse is like this. This is my x-axis. This is my y-axis. So that means this point and this point will be 0, 5. And this point will be 0, minus 5. And he's saying length of major axis. So that means what it means, 2a is equal to 20 and a is equal to 10. Now we know that focus is 0 plus minus AE, which implies AE is equal to 5. And what should be eccentricity? 5 over A. That is 5 over 10, 1 by 2. So my eccentricity of this ellipse is 1 by 2, which is correct because it is less than 1. So eccentricity is known to you. A is known to you. We know that B square is equal to A square 1 minus E square. So A square, this is 10 whole square. 1 minus E square, this is 1 by 4. So this is 100 is to 3 over 4. So which is equal to 25. So which implies B square is equal to 75 and B is equal to 5 under root 3. So A is given, B is given. Now, x square upon A square plus y square upon B square is equal to 1. But because the major axis is the y-axis, so I will keep A under y. So y square upon A square plus x square upon B square is equal to 1. This is the equation. This will not be the equation. Why it will not be the equation? Because y-axis is the major axis. Y-axis is major. So which implies y square upon A is 10. X square upon B is 5 under root 3 is equal to 1. So y square upon 100 plus x square upon 75 is equal to 0 is the equation of ellipse. I feel this is clear to everyone. Noorpreet, is it clear? Ayush, are you there? You're not responding. Ayush, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Note it down. Then we'll move to the next example, example 13, last example of this exercise. Then we'll solve few questions of the exercise. And in the next period, I'm going to start with hyperbola. And don't miss the class of hyperbola. It will be important. And because this chapter is also included in PA. And probably this week, your course will be finished. As soon as you will note down, let me know. Okay, come to the next. Okay, now example 13, again very important for examination point of view. Example 13, find the equation of the ellipse. आपको क्या ढूंढना है? Equation of ellipse. With major axis along x-axis. So he has given me major axis along x-axis and passing through the point 4, 3 and minus 4, 1. It passes through 4, 3 and minus 1 and 4. So major axis is along x-axis. So the figure of the ellipse is like this. So it passes through 4, 3. Let the point be 4 and 3. It passes through minus 1, 4. Let the point be minus 1 and 4. And focus are on the major axis. So therefore, equation is x square upon a square plus y square upon b square is equal to 1 is equation where a is greater than b because the axis is now 4, 3 is on ellipse. Which implies so this is 16 upon a square, this is 4 square, plus 9 upon b square is equal to 1. So let the equation be number 1. Similarly, minus 1, 4 is on ellipse. So 1 upon a square plus 16 upon b square is equal to 1. Let it be number 2. Now solve these two equations for the value of a and b to get the answer. How? Put 1 over a square is equal to p. 1 over b square is equal to q. So 16p plus 9q is equal to 1. P plus 16q is equal to 1. See, 1 over a square, act as a p, so 16p, 1 over b square act as a q, 9q is equal to, so now multiply this equation by 1 and this equation by 16, you will get 16p plus 9q is equal to 1, 16p plus 256q is equal to 16 minus minus minus. So this is 256. This is equal to minus 247. Q is equal to minus 15. Q is equal to 15 upon 247. Now, if Q is this, find the value of P. When you will get the value of P, this is P is equal to 1 minus 16Q. 1 minus 16 is to 15 upon 247. 1 minus, so multiply 16 with the 15 to get the net answer. Hurry up, quickly do solve it to get the value of P. Hurry up. Quickly. This is P. So which implies 1 over a square is equal to P is equal to 7 over 247. A square is equal to 247 over 7. 1 over b square is equal to q, which is equal to 15 upon 247. B square is equal to 247 over 15, which implies x square upon a square plus y square upon b square is equal to 1 is the equation. That means x square upon 247 over 7 plus y square upon 247 over 15 is equal to 1 is the equation of ellipse. I feel this is clear. Students, are you getting? Karush, Noor, Karman, Ayush has left the meeting. इसको नोट करिए. Then we will join at 1:30 again. Just note it down. Let me know as soon as you will finish. Then I will stop sharing the things.
Done, sir.
Okay, so see you again at 1:30. Thank you.